In this video, we are going to see if we can fix my iPhone 1st generation, which is stuck on the iTunes recovery screen. I literally forgot the password. I tried using 3U tools to restore it and used the Finder, but none of the two worked, even going flash in 3U tools. So, you know what? Time for the scary terminal Legacy iOS kit. Hit that subscribe button first, hit that like button, and let's get into the video and see if we can fix this broke-ass problem. First, let's open up the terminal, and then I'm going to do Command plus to make this bigger. Okay, and then I'm also going to show you the screen of my phone so you guys know what I'm looking at here. So I'm going to search up for photo booth. Here we go. This is the device. As you guys can see, it's on the iTunes recovery screen. So let's get started. Throw your pen. Set the phone down to the Mac. Okay, let's see here. Does the phone get detected? Yep, it's right there. You see? iPhone. Right, so what we're going to do now is just open up the Legacy iOS kit. So let's go into Finder right here. Let's go to my downloads, my apps, and then Legacy iOS kit. We need to go into the folder, and then you do not just drag in the Legacy iOS kit, you need to drag in the restore.sh file. So we're just going to grab that file and just put it in there. Now we're done with the terminal, I believe. We can make everything bigger so I can understand this. At least for me, I need to understand it. Now we can make the screen bigger. Okay, right. Now just press from here, enter. So, okay, picked up Lucas's iPhone running. Okay, I was 226 point. No, not on my regular iPhone. Where's my regular iPhone? I'm not on anything. I was plugged in but my iPhone. Okay, let's see here. Now, let's see. Number 1, download, create. What would number 2 do? Let's try number 1. Like, what do I type? 2? Let's see here. I want to just do this. Let's start over. I want to open up the Finder here. Go to my apps. Restore.sh. Right. Now, has it detected the phone? Okay, let's see, the phone is in recovery mode now. And then do I just copy one of these commands and paste it? And then paste. No, what? Matches found log, okay. And then, what if I try this one? Look, I don't know how this even works. I don't even know what I'm doing. So that did not work. Let's see. I can test already run version VS. Okay. So, let's ask ChatGPT here what to do, because even I am confused myself is what to do from here. Okay, so we drag this in, we know that. Now we just press enter. Maybe if I make a new terminal when the I've had like 20 of them open, So Command Space. We're going to open up the terminal. Hey. So, look, I do not know what I'm doing. I'm doing whatever the script says for me to do. Okay. Now let's see what... Where's my phone? There it is. Oh, here we go. Perfect. It picked up the phone. Finally. Never mind. Now let's see. Restore/downgrade. Jailbreak device. Okay, first let's try exit recovery mode. Because that's what it's stuck in. Rats. I think it might work. Let's see what happens. Because if it gets back into that mode, Lisa Kit is doing this job. I do not know what it is doing, but if nope. Okay, so that did not work. It took me right back to the stupid screen. So we can tell that it didn't work, and that's okay. Not really, but I did not know what to expect, but not that. So let's try this again. So if I type in the restore.sh, it should pick up the phone. Okay, so exiting recovery mode did not work. So we know we should not exit recovery mode. Restore-downgrade. Now, let's see. Go back to iOS 3. The other iOS 3, sure. Select recovery log. Select target. Download. Start restore. Okay, well, I think first we need to download it. And then once that's done downloading. Oh, holy shit. Okay. And now they just do start restore. Yes. Okay, now I think we need to get ready because I think this thing is going to start doing everything. Just do it. You ready? Seven. That scared me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9, 8. That scared me because I had to really quickly. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Oh, holy crap. Okay, the phone just went black. I bet it knows what it's doing. The phone just went black. We got a white screen. I don't know if that's good, but if this thing gets broken, that's okay because it's an old iPhone, so. Holy crap, it's like not what I was expecting to see there. I hope I just didn't glitch. Okay, good. It got to the... I closed our phone before I could have shown you what just happened. It got the Apple logo and a progress bar. I believe it's doing something. If we get into the phone, I'm going to be quite impressed in what I did all this hard work for. So please hit that subscribe button, like this video for my hard work on this. I wouldn't say it's hard work, but let's see. About to send... okay. Hey! Finally! I am excited now. It's working. Look at this. The progress bar has started its job. I thought I bricked this phone for good, but Lucas didn't. Lucas is the smartass one. And yeah, and if this succeeds, which I assume it will, we'll be back. Because I'm not going to leave you guys on hold for the whole time. BRB. And guys, being patient, well, will you look at this? It has done its job. The phone is finally jailbroken and it's fully functional And it is jailbroken. I cannot believe it. Yeah. Bye. Yeah, I am happy.